There are many reasons to eat avocados. Not only are they delicious, but they're packed full of healthful benefits. We're going to consider just three today. Number one is vision. Avocados have two phytochemicals that are present in the eye tissue called lutein and zeaxanthin. Due to their antioxidant properties, they help to minimize damage and protect the eyes, even from UV light. Number two is cancer prevention. Avocados contain high levels of phytochemicals and carotenoids. Studies have shown that due to the anti-cancer properties, especially the carotenoids, avocados may protect against cancer progression. Number three, nutrient-rich. Avocados contain vitamins such as vitamin C, E, K, and B6, and much more. To hear more about avocados and their ability to enhance nutrient absorption, let's listen to Dr. Michael Greger.
Major dietary source of antioxidants. And this may be true compared to much of the stuff people eat. But compared to other common fruits, avocados are not necessarily anything to write home about. They do, however, contain those two carotenoid eye nutrients found in dark green leafy vegetables, lutein and zeaxanthin, which may explain why Mexican Americans tend to beat out other ethnicities. The critical carotenoids are concentrated in the darkest green flesh close to the peel, and because of this, consumers should be advised to use the nick and peel method to obtain the nutrient-rich outer section of the avocado. The Tufts Nutrition and Health letter detailed what that means. You cut in half lengthwise around the seed, rotate it a quarter turn, cut lengthwise again to make quarter avocado segments. Then you separate the quarters and remove the seed. And finally, starting from the tip, nick and carefully peel so as not to lose that nutrient-rich darkest green flesh immediately under the skin. Avocados can also boost the absorption of the carotenoid phytonutrients in other vegetables, because carotenoids like beta-carotene are fat-soluble. However, many of our best foods for obtaining carotenoids, like sweet potatoes, carrots, greens, contain very little fat. So if you eat them straight, without any source of fat in your stomach, you may end up flushing a lot of that nutrition down the toilet. Remember, it's not what you eat, it's what you absorb. Here's the amount of beta-carotene that ends up in your bloodstream 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours after eating a little over a cup of salsa. There's a little bump. And the same thing with the red pigment lycopene. OK, but now here's that same amount of salsa with an avocado added, tripling the absorption. That means if you eat tomatoes without some source of fat at the same meal, avocados or nuts and seeds, most of that bright red, beautiful lycopene will end up in the toilet bowl rather than your bloodstream. Same thing eating a salad composed of lettuce, spinach, and carrots. With a fat-free dressing, hardly any beta-carotene makes it into your body. But add an avocado, and 15 times more beta-carotene ends up circulating throughout your body. Do you have to use a whole avocado, though? What about half an avocado? Pretty much same effect, works just as well. What about a quarter of an avocado? We don't know the minimum amount of dietary fat required for optimum carotenoid absorption. It may just be a few grams per meal, though, in which case an eighth of an avocado would fit the bill, or just 1 or 2 walnuts. Interestingly, avocado consumption may not just enhance absorption of carotenoids, but then also enhance their subsequent conversion inside the body into vitamin A. People were given baby carrots with and without guacamole. And same thing we saw before, way more beta-carotene in the bloodstream in the hours following the meal with the guacamole added, compared to the same amount of carrots alone. In fact, over 6 times more. And since beta-carotene is turned into vitamin A in the body, there should be 6 times more vitamin A too, right? No, they ended up with over 12 times more vitamin A. There was also a big increase in vitamin K levels, another fat-soluble vitamin, though that's partially because avocado contains vitamin K itself.
If you enjoyed watching this, please give our video a like and subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.